You asked, why have so many solar companies left the industry?
In Australia, we got the very unusual situation where we had over 750 solar installation companies either going bankrupt, closing, liquidating, and they're not around anymore. That means all the warranties for those particular installations are now null and void. Now, we've also had 400 panel manufacturers, maybe 60 to 80 inverter manufacturers coming to Australia over the last 10-12 years, registering their product, selling it, and then actually disappearing a few years later.
Let's go back, I've had enough.
And why was that? Because the product was not appropriate to the Australian conditions. We have one of the most hottest climates. Panels get up to 90, 100 degrees hot. Inverters on western walls get heated up in summer, extremely hot, and sometimes the product wasn't just up to scratch. So after a couple of years, they get a lot of warranty claims, and then they suddenly go, oh, gee, we're not making any money, so it's cheaper for them to disappear out of Australia again.
6 months, I'm going to be gone. I'm out of here.
And the 750 installation companies, they sold very cheap products. So what you find, a lot of those very, very large companies that sell systems very cheap. They used to be Eurosolar, they used to be True Value Solar. Those companies have come and then they've gone. And why they go? Because the product after 2 or 3 years starts to fail. They get a lot of phone calls for warranty claims. They realize, oh, there's not much money left in that and I didn't make so much profit. And they close their doors, and in that case, the customer is the owner of what we call an orphan system. Neither the manufacturer nor the installer are still around, and from that perspective, you really don't have any warranty. In those cases, a lot of times the system was also installed fairly poorly. You know, your system's not working, it sits up there, and a lot of people then pull it off. Do not buy too cheaply, because there is a high risk that that particular installer cannot make the profit to give you the 5, 10, 15, 20 years warranty support that they claim. I mean, if they make $200 profit on a $2,500, $3,000 system, how can they have still anybody in an office in 15, 20 years to look after your claim? Not possible. Final one why these companies have left is the Australian consumer law. Because the Australian consumer law says that if you sell a manufacturer's product, let's make it a panel. That panel has a 25-year performance warranty. After 5 years, that manufacturer has left the country. What then happens is that that 25-year warranty has now just jumped automatically onto the installer - installation - sales company, whoever sold you the system. Now they are responsible for that warranty. It's moved from the manufacturer because they left Australia onto that installer. Do you know what that means for that installer? He has 1,000 systems out there that are now become his full responsibility for all the warranty. So that installer looks at it and goes, oh my God, there is $1 million worth of liability sitting out there on roofs. So it's much cheaper for Solar Shine to close their doors and maybe a month later open the same premises again with a similar logo, the same vehicles, just a little bit rebadged, as Solar Shinier. Solar Shine becomes Solar Shinier. And they're the large companies, they're directors who have been directors of multiple companies over the last 10, 12 years, and they've done this trick many, many times.
We're completely bankrupt. Don't tell anybody.
It's quite frankly disgusting in Australia that the phoenixing is so easy. There are no long-term banning of directors or anything like that at the moment on the cards, and I really hope one day the government looks at this practice because it really disadvantages the end consumer. So my strong advice is do not buy from a cheap, large promo company that puts famous people in the ads and claims this and claims that, because quite frankly, often the outcome means that after a few years you're chasing people down the road and you're not getting the support. Buy local, buy from somebody who's been around locally for a while and that has a good reputation, that has a showroom and that is willing to come out and check your system out.
Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.